In this video, I want to highlight and teach you that why your SEO scores doesn't guarantee your rankings. Now you can see if I go into the post, and all these things have good, this has a good SEO score, but this, this blog not even crawled, not even crawled on a Google. So what I'm saying is, to rank my whatever the plugins, okay, whatever the SEO plugins, it is just for traditional SEO. Okay, now it's different. Now we have to optimize for people first content and AI overviews and chatbots. So if you don't know how to do that, there'll be a link in bio description, and you can book a call with me and I will help you automate everything and give you a free strategy. So that's it. I'll catch you on the next one.